Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749-90534 and 98561-72263. In an accident that occurred at 11 p.m. of the 5th of November, a truck bearing registration number JK02AS9925 that was heading from Siliguri to Agartala had overturned at NONGTHYMMAI, Byrnihat on National Highway 6 at BHOI, Meghalaya. In the accident, a MARUTI car belonging to Fairly KHARPURI and bearing registration number MLO5K8825 that was parked at the roadside and a shop belonging to KSHIAR were hit by the truck. No fatality was reported during the accident. Sources informed that the driver of the truck, Harkash Kumar of Jammu and Kashmir, lost control of the vehicle as he was driving in an inebriated condition. Till the filing of this report, the driver of the truck has been detained at the Byrnihat police outpost.